Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Capricorn, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys, Capricorn. So let's start with these cards here. We have Lovers, Justice in reverse and Four of Spheres. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation, you are moving in a positive way towards some kind of collaboration, guys. Maybe some partnerships or some agreements you are signing today. And maybe for some of you, you are at a place, a very important place in your career situation or in your life, making some important choices or decisions for yourself. So you are thinking deeply. Maybe your past has taught you valuable lessons and you know what you need to do today, guys, and you are just waiting to make the right choice. And maybe based on your experience, you have that knowledge and all that trials and obstacles you face till now, you have overcome in your situation and you are strong in heart and strongly determined to do the right things, guys. And maybe for some of you, you feel that your circumstance, things are going in a very unfair way for you. Maybe in your career there are people much inexperienced and who are not so qualified. They may get promoted or they may get better opportunities than you. So something is making you sad or making you worried because of how your situation is, guys, Capricorn. But I also see that you are also finding someone you love, someone very interesting coming towards you, guys. And this person is coming with gifts and they are trying to propose to you, guys. And maybe they are interested in you and they are coming to propose to you, or you are interested and you are going to propose to them, guys. So you are finding someone interesting today, guys, Capricorn, if you are open to a new relationship, guys. That is what I see. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Fortune's Wheel. So it may be destiny, guys. The person coming towards you, it may be your destined connection. So maybe universe is bringing this person towards you. Maybe you may have some kind of a karmic link with this person. That is the reason they are here with you now. And maybe some changes are supposed to happen in you. That may be the reason for this person with you, guys. And the way you are with this person, you may feel a great familiarity when you are with them. The way they speak or the way they behave, you feel that you would have known them before, even at the first meeting, guys. So if it is that way, you need to understand that this person is your karmic destiny, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Three of Spheres. So with this card in your situation today, guys, you would have faced some troubles or some stressful situations in your career, but today you are seeing success coming towards you. There are a lot of changes happening, and you're seeing the bright light at the end of the tunnel. Things are falling into place, and success is within reach for you all, guys. So whatever you do in your career situation, you are going to see success very soon, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you are interested, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals. So you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card here. This is your first card, second card and third card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start with this card here. We will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have round and round. So this card just means that in our situation, the spiral quality of events, when something is not being integrated in our life, guys, maybe through our experience, the lessons, what we are supposed to learn, when we do not learn that, we go through that pattern again and again, guys. And this card is a reminder of that. Maybe you feel that in your circumstance today, how you are back here again, maybe in the same kind of situation. Maybe you would have had a similar experience before in your past. So you need not be surprised because you are finding yourself with the same kind of circumstance, with a same type of person, maybe. But you need to understand that in your situation today, what is happening is that universe is trying to guide you or bring that evolution in you, guys, bring that changes in you. That is the reason for things going in a particular way. So maybe you should learn your lessons, what you should not do. You should not do it now. Maybe what you did before, maybe some responses or the way you behaved, you should not repeat that now, guys. So that is what this card means. Maybe today you should handle your situation from a different perspective and respond in a different way. That way you will be able to break this cycle. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's keep this card aside. For those who have chosen the second card, guys, sorry guys, this is your second card and second crystal. This is the crystal for y'all and this is the card. So for those who have chosen this crystal, it is Archangel Uriel. So this angel, it guides us to have that clarity, have our own wisdom in any situation, guys. And this guidance is subtle and gentle but very powerful. So maybe we are trying to find solution in some areas. We feel that we are stuck, some kind of confusions or doubts are there, but the answers you seek are right within you. So this guidance, this card comes with the guidance that you will get your answers from within, maybe through some messages, or you may see certain signs in your situation. Something is going to help you out today. Something that is going to maybe you may find your answers within yourself, maybe through your intuition or some signs or something in your situation. So that way you will get clarity, guys. So maybe some confusions are there and it is all going to clear out. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, the second card. So let's see what is the third card, guys. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Seriphos green quartz. So that is the card here. It's a crystal spirit card. So sometimes we are just forcing ourselves towards something we desire. We are working hard, making efforts, but today we have come to an acceptance that what is not supposed to come will never come towards us, or what is not supposed to change will never change, at least not for this moment. So you have your clarity today, and honestly, you know what you can change and what you cannot change in this relationship. So that way you have a clear idea, guys. So you will be able to work with that other person, co-create your dreams and goals, what you desire and what you deserve. So you need to be present, be here this moment in your life today. Maybe if you are sad, you can cry. It's not going to change anything, guys. But you should not forget that universe is your friend and it is guiding you in a particular way, and you are going to feel so much love and so much happy, and you need not worry that this is the end of things. Maybe certain things are not going up to expectation, but you need not worry. Things will change for the better, and there are good things waiting for you, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.